Hi dear participants, today's our another important session on National Digital Library of India, one of the open access resources portal created by the IIT Kharagpur. It's a Ministry of Human Resources Development project through National Mission on Education through ICT, Government of India. This portal provides information sources from the primary school level to postgraduate level students and lifelong learners also. This platform provides more than 4 crores of data resources like video lectures, e-text, theses and dissertations, electronic journals, audio contents from reputed institutions of India like IIT, IIM, IISc, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Consortium for Educational Courses like that. And also the basic motive of the government, the basic motive of the government is this resource to reach each and every corner of the country. One of the good initiative of the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. Now we will move to the platform of National Digital Library of India homepage. See, under this platform, primary school, CBSE school topics for engineering students, law subjects, science and humanities, and also literature of different languages. Now we will see first one part. Actually, the National Digital Library provides a lot of resources for the research scholars, faculties, academicians and other lifelong learners. Now I am going to talk about a particular subject only. For science subject, when you click the science subject button, this portal will be opened like that. See, opened here. There are subject category listed below like common subjects, agriculture, atmospheric science, biology, biotechnology, chemistry and biochemistry, computer science, environmental science, mathematics, nanotechnology and physics. Last one, physics. So now we will select any one. Now we will select any one among the subject of for example biology and biotechnology. Under this first one, under the biology and biotechnology, there are many subdivisions are there. We will select the biology questions and solutions. Questions and solutions. Second, video lectures from biotechnology, NPTEL. So there were subdivisions of subjects under this main category. Now under the fifth screenshot, we will see that biology. After clicking that one, biology questions and solutions, the page will open like this. So see that there are chapters from chapter 1 to chapter 21, 31, totally 31 chapters available. That right side also same highlighting the same thing, that available. You may scroll down to be like that to that fifth and sixth see this here right, the chapters are 1 to 31. Okay, so now under this we will select, for example, we will select the chapter 1. Under this chapter, problem and solutions are available like that. See, under this chapter 1 we will select that chapter 7. See that solutions, questions with the solutions are available. Okay, so the category and contents are given here with the solutions in the, see that in the slide number 8. Right side, the right side will be, we will select molecular basis of life. Okay, we will select the molecular basis of life chapter. The content will be opened like this, see, and with the answers. Okay, see, we will select it. The chapter will be opened with the solution. The answers are also given for the problems, and so like that you may select it, your subjects, and whatever subjects subdivisions are there. There are 31 chapters. Which chapter if you want, whatever it is, you will select it and note down or download it or copy down that matter. Okay, so now we will see in the another main subject, physics. Another main subject is physics. Under this, if we select the physics, it will expose that chapters 1 to 37 with the subdivisions. Okay, so now like that the another main subject, chemistry also. Okay, now we are seeing the main subject of science subject. So we will see, we will saw that biology, biotechnology, physics, and then chemistry. There are chapters 1 to 33. So according to your subdivision, your interested chapter or relevant chapter for you required, you may click it and view it on the video also available. We will see in the next here we will next slide. See the net. Under this chemistry and biochemistry, we will select video lectures from National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning NPTEL and Consortium for Educational Courses CSE and others. Okay, so we will select it in the first one. Select the see, under this one, first one we will select it under the chemistry, biochemistry, chemistry and biochemistry. After selecting that one, the right side green color button highlighting that subdivisions of subjects, that shows the advanced analytical course. Okay, the first one is the advanced analytical course. So if you click it one, okay, if you click it, after selection the analytical chemistry, the video will run under this platform. See the after selecting this 14 green color button, analytical chemistry video, the video will be opened like that. We will see next screen will open like this. Okay, with the video and contents of the chapters are also in the black color coverage video. The exact content with this timings you may also view here. Video lecture, analytical compound, see under the video lecture will running. So if you want to see any particular, see this the video of the analytical compounds. If you select it, after selecting the under the video portion, if you select it in that see that red color box highlighting the YouTube shared link, if sharing the link to your classmates and your friend circle, share this topic, particular chapter. There are lot of content available, lot of videos available. One main subject we are seeing the simple only one part only we are now watching this video. So we will another one under the table of content presentation timing also you can see that with the timing. See this, the class is going on. If any right time that the content what is the teaching, that content only if you want, the timing will be highlighted in the red color. See the red color, if you want that content you select it and you watch that. You may save your time, that is what I am telling you. You may save your time, okay. So like that. After the so this is the one, okay. And another one is the chemistry lectures from CEC. Previously we saw that national NPTEL program, and the same from chemistry lectures from chemistry. The provider is the video lecture provider is Consortium for Educational Courses, New Delhi. They are providing the video lectures like that. Under this green color button is showing the chemistry. Under this you may select it any one part. See, that is one, for example, about 2D box and 3D box lecture. If you select it, it will be opened. The provider is Consortium for Educational Communication, New Delhi. The lecture is going on, full lecture available. Like that, you may see that exact content of this. The video timing will be maybe 40 minutes to 1 hour. So you don't want to see full video. You are exactly you want the particular topic or content. You select that right side button and see the contents one by one. So you select the timing and the content and you watch it and note down that lecture only, okay. So like that, there are many subjects are there now in the National Digital Library. Now I have explained about the particular subject only, that science subjects. So with this I conclude my session. We will meet it in the next session on humanities. I will meet you. So under this with this I think you understood this lecture. I think I thanks for the patient listening, and we will meet it in the next session. Thank you very much, participants. Thank you.